Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Late in the Day Questions and Answers, maybe your favorite beverage. I was out, like I tell you, I belong to a couple of forums, a club. I was out at the club, and one of the people out there does wood carvings with like a Dremel kind of a tool or Mastercraft or one of those. And he does all kinds of carvings, like in tree branches and all this stuff. And he was telling me that he ran across a situation where there's dust flying everywhere if he wants to work like in his garage. So he wanted to make a vacuum table. So he had brought it along with him to show me, and he hooks up his shop vac to it. And I thought it was pretty clever. And I said, well, hey, do you have the dimensions or anything on this? He goes, yeah, I got them off of the internet somewhere. He goes, but here, he goes, I'll show you a copy of it. And I said, okay, great. So I wanted to make a video today, and I'm going to show you the plans that he used. Okay. And you can do the same thing, or you can modify it, make it a little bit bigger, make it a little bit smaller. But I thought it was a really kind of a cool thing because when it's hooked up and he's carving, it doesn't catch 100%, but it catches like a lot of it. I mean, it's got good vacuum, and I thought it was a clever idea. So I'm going to share it with you, and let me show you the diagram now. Okay, well, I know that was a short video, but I wanted to throw this out there along with my other content because people have got varying interests, whether it's wood turning, wood carving, flat work, metal work, whatever. So I keep trying to find things that I think are a good bargain, or they're a good deal, or they're a great idea. I think that this is a good idea. And if you feel that you need it, you can make it relatively inexpensively just by buying some of the wood from your big box store. All right, folks, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and keep following me. My stray cats appreciate it. I take care of them, and what little I make, I buy food, water, and they're my shop buddies, like I always say. They hang around, but I can't get close to them to pet them. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.